Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start understanding real estate financing with Bankrate, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding real estate financing is essential for anyone looking to invest in property. The first step is to familiarize yourself with basic financing concepts. Learn about terms like mortgage, interest rates, and loan-to-value ratio. Next, explore different types of loans available in the real estate market. Conventional loans, FHA loans, and VA loans are some of the most common options. Each type has its own eligibility requirements and benefits. Visit Bankrate's website to access useful articles and calculators that can aid your research. Bankrate offers resources to compare interest rates from various lenders. Take advantage of these tools to understand different mortgage options. Ensure you have a grasp of your credit score, as it plays a crucial role in financing. Review your credit report for any errors that may impact your score. Understanding your financial situation is the next key step. Calculate how much you can afford for a down payment and monthly mortgage payments. Use the affordability calculators available on Bankrate to help with your calculations. Another important aspect is understanding the total cost of homeownership. This includes property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance costs. Once you're comfortable with the costs, it's time to explore mortgage pre-approval. Pre-approval gives you a clear picture of how much you can borrow. It also shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. Now, it's essential to shop around for the best mortgage rates. Bankrate provides a platform for comparing lender offers to find the best deal. This includes understanding the terms of the loan and any associated fees. When you find a suitable loan, gather the required documentation for the application. This typically includes proof of income, employment verification, and financial statements. After submitting your application, be prepared for the lender's review process. During this time, they will assess your financial history and property value. Once approved, review the closing disclosure carefully before finalizing the deal. This document outlines all loan terms and closing costs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.